So when you're batch loading the Accuplacers, you should pull a batch file. And my suggestion is that you should go ahead and set up a file with the template that you need so that every time you go in, it's already set up. You just pick the name of it, and then you can export your report. So in order to do that, I'm on the home page here. You're going to select Reports. And then you're going to select Roster Reports, and then you're going to select Score Roster Reports. So Reports, Roster Reports, and then Score Roster Reports. And this screen comes up. Now you're going to see when I click here on Load a Saved Query, I have no choices because I haven't saved any yet. But we're about to save one in the exact format that you need it to be in order to batch load it into Banner. We're going to save our filters, and then each time we come in, we're just going to go here and select the Load a Saved Query by the name we're going to use, and then you can extract the file. So let's go ahead and do the setup. So first thing you do is select Fields for Report. So I click on that, and then you're going to see you have the basic information automatically here. So you're going to click on the first one. You're going to scroll all the way down. You're going to hit the Shift key on your keyboard, and you're going to click on the last one because we want to highlight everything. And then you select the arrow to move it to the right side of the screen. Then you come to the field categories again, and you select Test Scores. And you do the same thing. Select the first one, scroll all the way down, hit Shift on your keyboard, select the last one, and use the arrow to move it over to the right. And now you have selected the fields for the report. The next thing you want to do is the Download File Format Settings. So select Download File Format Settings. For Include Header in the Output, select No. For the date format, you want month, month, day, day, year, year, year with no dashes. The text delimited is pipe. File format is Windows. And then download format is delimited text. Then in the Create a New Query, you're going to put the name. You're going to put ACCU batch load file. Then you're going to select Save. And now it's saved that query. So once I do that, I'm going to select Submit. Okay, now once it's saved, it should show up here, but I have noticed that it's almost like I need to refresh in order for it to come up there. So let me see if I can get it. There you go. So all I did was I selected back on home. I select on Score Reports, which is under Reports, Roster Reports, Score Roster Reports, and now you can see it. So the next time you need to run the file, you don't have to set up your parameters. You come in here, you select Batch Load, and then you go all the way to the bottom and you select Submit. And then you'll see that it's opening up right here, and then you can just select Download and it'll open up your file. I'm not going to select Download or open the file on a video because it has student data in it, but that's all you have to do. So first thing, set up the file so that you don't have to do the fields and the filters and the format each time. You're going to set it up, and then you'll be able to pull that file.